Our brain is the most significant part of the human body. It allows us to move, feel, think, and learn. Inside the brain, a dynamic network formed by billions of nerve cells, neurons, processes information via electrical signals, synapses. But how do the signals get to our brain? Imagine that our skull is a box. Our eyes and mouths are holes in the box, which let our sensation pass and excite signals in the brain. All the information in our brain is stored and transmitted by neurons. Neuron has the neuron's body or soma. Each neuron receives information from other neurons over numerous dendrites and transmits to other cells along a signal axon. All neurons interact with each other. Contacts of nerve cells with neural, muscle, or glandular cells are called synapses. Synapse transmits an impulse from one neuron to other via dendritic spine. One neuron tells to another, "Hi, I have some news for you." There are two types of synapses, electrical and chemical. In the electrical synapse, the membranes of neighboring cells approach so close to each other that between them special proteins form channels that connect the cells. In the chemical version of synapse, we have presynaptic membrane, postsynaptic membrane, and the synaptic cleft, the size of which is from 10 to 50 nanometers. Transmission of signals is carried out with the help of chemicals, which are called mediators. Mediators affect receptor proteins in the postsynaptic membrane. Before entering the synaptic cleft, the mediators are located in intracellular vesicles. After ejection into the synaptic cleft, the mediators enter the postsynaptic membrane receptors and transmit a signal. After that, special proteins in the synaptic cleft deactivate the mediators and take them back. But what structure actually has our brain? Medulla is responsible for regulation of breathing and cardiovascular activity. Hindbrain is responsible for coordinating movements. The movement of the eyes, the turning of the head toward the source of sound or light, is the work of the midbrain. The intermediate brain is responsible for the emotional coloring of information, provides regulation of sleep and wakefulness of the person. The forebrain has two hemispheres, left and right. The left hemisphere is responsible for analytical and mathematical abilities. The right hemisphere is for thinking, creative, visual abilities, but they work together. The weight of average brain is 1.4 kilogram, but its weight doesn't affect our mental abilities. For example, Albert Einstein's brain weighed only 1.2 kilogram. Our brain consumes 20% of the all energy that our body produces. This would be enough to light a light bulb with a capacity of 60 watts.